video. I'm really excited to be filming this video today because today we finally get to move into our new house again. And I say again because in the beginning of the year we bought a house up in San Francisco, and after 2 months of living up north we decided to come back to SoCal, and we've been back down in SoCal for about 2 months now living with family. But today is really exciting because we finally get the keys to our new home, which is actually my husband's rental property that he bought a year and a half ago. And once we decided we wanted to move back down to SoCal, we did in fact have to give the renters a 30-day notice, which actually changed to a 60-day notice. So it's been 60 days, and today those 60 days are finally up. The renters are out and we finally got the keys back to the rental property. But today I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to film what the condition of the home is after the renters have been living there for a year and a half now, because I actually have a video of what the condition of the home was, and it was perfect. It was a brand new house, brand new painted walls, brand new cabinets, everything. So today we finally get to see what the house looks like after the renters moved out, and I'm actually really nervous to see what it looks like because when we came and dropped off the 60-day notice written paper, the outside of the house was kind of scary to look at, so I'm afraid to see what the inside of the house looks like. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and we're gonna see together what the inside of the house looks like. So let's go ahead and make our way over there. Alright you guys seen the video. That was the house before the renters moved in. Now that I'm in here, let's go ahead and do a walkthrough together so that we could both see what condition the renters left the house in and to see if anything needs to be replaced or cleaned. So let's go ahead and start. I'm here in the kitchen and I could already tell that some cleaning needs to be done here because the grout has like mold, so that needs some cleaning. The sink needs some cleaning. These shelves are not too bad. They're still white, but it looks like they painted over them a little. I don't know what happened there. These are the countertops. They probably just need a good clean. These cabinets look scary, but probably just need a cleaning too. Just need a cleaning. This is dirty. I think I should have gloves on, but they left some stuff here. I don't know what that is. I'll check it out later. This is what I walked in and saw right away. The stove. It looks so gross. But again, just needs a clean. We aren't able to see what's working, what's not, because there's no power, no gas, no water even. Here's the microwave. Just needs a cleaning. Nothing looks too bad yet, but it just looks like it needs a deep cleaning. All the shelves are still there. They left some spices, I guess. That'll be trash. Not too bad, just a cleaning. And then maybe new caulking, I think it's called. I think I called it grout, but I think it's called caulking. So probably just new caulking because that one looks moldy. I don't know if that'll be cleaned. This is the laundry room. I'm so happy. In the last house, I had my laundry room in the garage, and I'm happy to have my laundry room inside the house this time. But yeah. Looks good. Just needs like a little slight wall cleaning. This is the living room. It looks like they did some patchwork there, so that might need a new painting because it does look a little patchy. I don't like how that looks. Here too. This is the front door that I walked in right now. I already have my cleaning supplies here because I do plan to do the cleaning myself. But yeah, you guys, the baseboards look scary. But I mean, it's just all cleaning. It doesn't look like nothing major needs to be replaced here. Just a good cleaning. Let's go ahead, make our way down the hallway. On the right is the first room. Looks good too. No holes in the wall. It's good to check behind the doors. Yeah, no holes. Just a really dirty door. Dirty walls. I would definitely have to do a wall scrubbing, but I don't know if that will actually clean the walls or if we should just do a painting. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but again, I don't have light. There's no light. Again, the baseboards, scary. That looks so scary. Oh! Oh my god, I think I got a spider web on me. Yeah, that's something I noticed too. There's a lot of spider webs. You can tell right there. There's a lot of spider webs actually. I don't know how they let that happen. This here we have a closet door. The mirrors look good. I'm glad these aren't broken. That's good. All these rooms have a mirror closet door. So let's hope that none of them are broken, but this one isn't. Just needs a cleaning. Let's go ahead and make our way down the hallway. Right here we have a bathroom, another room to the left, and then another room to the right. Let's go ahead and check out this right room. Again, the mirrors don't look broken. Just detached from the railings. I think that's just need to be like lifted onto the rail. Closet looks good. Right off the bat, I don't see nothing major, no holes in the walls. Just some dirty walls, which hopefully could get scrubbed off. If not, we might need to do a painting. Let's go ahead and check the bathroom out. This is something I was scared about too. Okay, that needs a heavy cleaning back there. That looks gross. Let's see this. Okay. That's intact. That needs a good cleaning. I think this has to be like this. Mirror is good. This looks good. Just again needs a deep cleaning. This needs a deep cleaning. Yeah, we'll probably have to do some new caulking here too. But nothing's broken, so that's good. Let's move on to the master room. Mirrors. They're not broken, that's good. This closet looks good. There's just a ton of spider webs, dirty baseboards, dirty windows, some spider webs. Let's check out the bathroom. This is the last thing we need to check. This is broken. Where's this from? I think that's an easy fix. I think it just screws on, I'm not sure. But other than that, nothing else looks broken. Let's check in here. Just needs a cleaning. Honestly, it's not bad at all. Nothing that needs to be like majorly replaced. At least not that I know of right now, but like the floor looks good. There's no cracks in the floor. All the appliances and wall attachments look like they're okay. If there was any holes like in the living room, it looks like they did patch them up. So we'll probably just need to paint the living room. But yeah, you guys, not too bad. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to cleaning today because I did just find out that there's no water. I definitely do need water to clean the bathrooms and stuff. I already called. They're closed on the weekend, which is such a bummer. It's Saturday, so I'll probably wait till Monday to start cleaning. I'm actually surprised to see that this was the condition of the house considering the outside of the house. I'm gonna show you guys the video of what the backyard looked like. The backyard had brand new grass and they let it die. And my husband is actually outside there right now cleaning the backyard. He used to cut grass with his dad and do all that landscape stuff. He's got that covered. I've got the inside covered. But yeah, you guys, the backyard, it's really sad to see that there's no more grass. But let me go ahead and show you guys what the backyard looks like now. Okay, this is what it looks like now with just him using these two machines. I don't know what these two machines are. I think it's a weed whacker and a blow dryer. Huh? I don't know. But I just know it blows air. But this is what it looks like right now. Not too bad. Definitely want to get rid of those. But yeah, you guys, this grass, it's so sad to see that it's not grass anymore and just weeds. But, It's been 2 full days of cleaning and the house is finally ready to move in. There's been a ton of painting that we did, a ton of recaulking, a bunch of scrubbing and wiping. The house finally looks new again, and I'm gonna get to show you guys that today. Here in the living room. The living room did get painted because, as you remember, there was some patchwork done right there. That's completely gone. It got painted over. We have the kitchen. It looks brand new again. This stove got a good cleaning outside and in. This is what it looks like. Super clean. Look at that. The microwave as well. There's no little fingerprints right there no more. The inside got clean as well. All these cabinets, I cleaned every single one of them inside and out. So everything looks super duper clean, brand new. Especially this one. This one was the one that was the most dirty. It's clean in there. I'm so happy that every little scuff got removed. And it looks brand new again. All the stainless steel looks good. My sink, oh my gosh, my sink looks so beautiful. I did a good scrub on this one too, and it looks so nice. Right here, we still need to redo the caulking, but we ran out, so we'll get to that after. This living room got painted. This wall got painted. The whole hallway got painted. And every room got painted as well. The baseboards were scrubbed. My mirrors are spotless. This is the other room that got painted. Looks good. The bathroom, oh my gosh. Beautiful transformation. Clean, new caulking. The bathtub cleaned so well. It was really yellow and moldy, but it got cleaned really good. New caulking as well. Everything looks great. This is the master bedroom. Restroom. The bathroom in here got cleaned really good as well. Everything got scrubbed, literally everything. The freshly painted hallway. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? It was 2 days of cleaning with the help of my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and I'm really happy with the results. The spider webs are gone, the windows are clean, the walls are clean, they're painted, my kitchen is clean. Everything looks good. I'm so happy. We'll probably start moving in tomorrow or the following day. It's been a pretty busy week, but I'm happy we at least got the house ready to move in. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later.